Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Facebook username or URL. Let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Then, tap on the menu icon. Then, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then, Settings. Then under Account Settings, tap the See More in Account Center. Now tap on Profiles, then choose your Facebook profile, then select Username. Then type in your new username. This is the part that appears in your Facebook link. It must be unique and follow Facebook format, no spaces, only letters, numbers, or periods. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.